Welcome to UnleashDance.
On this channel, you will find
This is our hip hop series, and let's look at what we have in store for you today. Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn a breaking move called the 6 step. This is a down rock step which is done close to the floor. But before we get to it, let's learn the footwork standing. I'm going to cross my left leg across my right leg, that's 1. Then bring my right leg closer behind my left leg, that's 2. Then I open out my left leg, that's 3. And cross my right leg over my left leg, that's 4. Then I open out my left leg back, 5. And bring back my right leg next to my left leg, that's 6. The same thing we're going to do on the floor. Let's do the move on the floor. So remember to keep your palms on the floor in such a way that you're supported by your fingers and not by complete hand. This makes it easier to move around. Okay, so first step is crossing your left leg across, 1. Then bringing your right leg closer to your left leg, 2. The third step is when you open your left leg out, 3. And then shifting your weight to your right hand and crossing your right leg across, 4. Then I move my left leg behind, 5. And then I move my right leg behind, 6. That's the 6 step, guys. Let's try it with some music.
Everybody want what they really don't got. Scratch little lotto till they hit the jackpot. Long line to the top, puff puff chocolate. Super fine sugar daddy make me teeth rot. Caviar dreams that line the magazines. We down with the juice, not what it seems. Hurry that game and the cookies in.
Thanks for watching.
if you've liked our video.
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
Stay tuned.